Hello, everyone!
Hi, everyone. Welcome back.
We are so happy you are here today.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Today's lesson is very useful.
Yes, today we will learn
How to order coffee in English. Maybe you travel one day.
maybe you visit a cafe.
Or maybe you simply want to feel more confident speaking English.
This lesson will help you.
We will speak slowly.
We will use easy English.
And we will practice together.
If you enjoy this lesson,
Please like this video.
subscribe to the channel.
And let's start learning.
David, I love coffee.
Really? I noticed. You always have coffee.
Maybe just 4 cups a day.
Only 4?
That's a lot. Don't tell everyone.
Don't worry. Your secret is safe. Well, maybe not anymore.
Let's go to a cafe.
Great idea. The person who makes your coffee is called
The barista.
Barista.
Let's say it slowly. Ba-re-sta. Barista.
Great. Now, hello.
Hello. How are you today?
The barista may answer, I'm good, thank you. Or, I'm doing well. What do we say first?
Usually we smile. Then we say, hello.
Let's repeat. Hello.
Again.
Hello. Very good. Simple is good.
You do not need difficult English. Just smile. Say, hello.
Now comes the important part, ordering.
A very polite sentence is, I'd like a coffee, please.
Let's repeat. I'd like a coffee, please.
Again, I'd like a coffee, please.
Excellent.
Maybe you don't want regular coffee.
Maybe you want a latte, please.
Or a cappuccino.
Or an espresso.
Or an iced coffee.
Let's practice. I'd like a latte, please.
I'd like an iced coffee, please.
Very nice. The barista may ask, hot or iced?
You answer, hot, please, or iced, please.
Easy.
Sometimes the barista asks, what size?
Maybe small, medium, large.
Let's answer. Small, please.
Medium, please.
Large, please.
Do you like sugar?
Sometimes. Not always.
What can we say?
No sugar, please.
Or 1 sugar, please.
Or 2 sugars, please. Sometimes there are different kinds of milk.
Whole milk, skim milk, soy milk, oat milk, almond milk.
Don't worry if you forget. You can simply say, regular milk, please.
David. One time, I asked for 5 sugars.
5? Were you drinking coffee or candy?
Maybe candy coffee.
The barista probably smiled.
Yes, he looked surprised. The barista says, it's $5.
You answer, here you are.
Or, can I pay by card?
Or,
Can I pay with cash?
now it's time to pay. You can ask, how much is it?
Repeat. How much is it?
Again, how much is it? Sometimes they call your name. Alice! That's you!
That's my coffee.
You walk over, take your coffee, smile, and say, thank you.
After paying, you wait.
Maybe the barista says,
Your coffee will be ready soon.
You answer.
Thank you.
Hello, what can I get for you?
I'd like a small latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Any sugar?
1 sugar, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
That will be $5.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Your coffee will be ready soon.
Thank you.
I'll ask, you answer. Ready?
Let's go.
What would you like?
Great. Now, hot or iced?
Excellent. What size?
Very good. Anything else?
Fantastic.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Again. I'd like a coffee, please.
Small, please.
Large, please.
Hot, please.
Iced, please.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Sometimes learners say, I want coffee.
It's okay. People understand. But I'd like a coffee, please. Sounds much more polite.
Let's repeat. I'd like a coffee, please.
Again? I'd like a coffee, please.
Can you order by yourself?
Let's try. Imagine you are in a cafe. The barista smiles. He says, "Hello. What would you like?"
Great job. You are practicing real English.
Can you order by yourself?
Let's try. Imagine you're in a cafe. The barista smiles. He says, Hello. What would you like? Great job. You are practicing real English.
Hello! Welcome!
Hi. I'd like a medium iced latte, please.
Certainly. Would you like sugar?
No sugar, please.
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
That will be $6.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Excellent work today.
You practiced real English.
Remember, don't be afraid to speak.
Making mistakes is okay.
Every conversation helps you improve.
Keep practicing. Little by little, day by day.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
Subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite coffee?
Or, what is your favorite drink?
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Take care. Keep practicing. Keep smiling.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.